Hey lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So today we are making carrot, spinach and celery juice. Wondering if three ingredients can go together? Yes, they perfectly work together. So in case in your fridge you only have celery, spinach, carrot and you want a detox juice, you can have one, a very healthy one for that. These vegetables combined together help in improving eye health, boosting the immune system, and strengthening your skin. It is also very good for people with diabetes. This is possible because they contain antioxidants like beta carotene. They also contain vitamins such as C and K. When you consume vegetables in high quantities, such as juice, you lessen your risk of developing serious illnesses. These vegetables also help to improve your digestion in your body, because if you take lots of them, they're going to improve the way your body system is working. They also help in weight loss, detoxing your body, and lowering blood pressure. This is a sugar-free juice recipe and it's very good for your health. You can drink it like twice a week or thrice a week, but not on a daily basis. Yeah, recommended to only drink like twice or thrice a week. Thank you for watching the video. I'll put more important reasons down below.